This is Donald from MIDA. So today I'm going to talk about a very important and very common topic in A/B testing, which is the flickering effect. So what is the flickering effect? The flickering effect is commonly referred to a situation where users, when they come to your website and they briefly sees the original version of your A/B test before the modified version taken place. So it only affects your site when you are making A/B tests on your hero section, or commonly referred as the above default. Or it could also affect your site when you are doing like a URL redirection test, where a user come to your URL 1 and after a couple of seconds they got redirected to another page. So imagine that this is your website loading. When someone comes to your page, they will see a blank page and the site start loading, and then everything has loaded up as it seems. But then after a second or two, the page started changes again. And then this is what it meant to be the flickering effect, because the page flickers around. In some cases, the image changes. So it is not good, leaving your users to be confused and distracted by the fact that the page just changes before their eyes, and leaving them wondering what just happened. So that's not ideal, right? How do we mitigate the flickering effect on your website? Number one, by placing the A/B testing script above all the other scripts and style sheets on your website, and moving the A/B testing script as high as possible on the head section. Number two, by moving down all the other external third-party JavaScripts away from the head to the body section. This is, you will also need to pay attention to this when you are doing this, because you wanted to identify which JavaScripts or which external script are not as important, because you want to leave the priority for the web browser to load the A/B testing script first. And another way that you can do this is by telling your web browser that which scripts are the higher priority and which one are the lower priorities, by adding asynchronous and defer attributes to these JavaScripts. Now, number three, avoid installing A/B testing scripts through Google Tag Manager. Now, I know we marketers, we love Google Tag Manager because it is so easy to use to let us install new scripts, new services, and it is very easy to manage. You can just remove it anytime you want it, right? But then the thing is, with Google Tag Manager, if you're installing A/B testing with Google Tag Manager, then your A/B testing script will be delayed by 100 or 200 milliseconds, just because the web page needed to wait for Google Tag Manager to load first before loading the A/B testing script, which is defeating the purpose of having the A/B testing script to load as soon as possible when the page loaded. So going back to point number one, you want the A/B testing script to load as soon as possible without waiting for any other scripts. Now, number four, use a fast and lightweight A/B testing script like MIDA. So with MIDA, it's very light. It's only 7 KB in the script size, and it loaded typically under 100 milliseconds, and it's also free forever. So if you are looking for an A/B testing script, give MIDA a try. Anyway, now number five, use an anti-flickering script when needed. So what is an anti-flickering script? An anti-flickering script is a small piece of code that helps maintain your user experience on your website when you are running A/B tests, to ensure that your visitors won't see any flickering effect. So how does anti-flickering script work? So this is what it works. So without anti-flickering script, you will be seeing this. With anti-flickering script, you will be seeing a page, a blank page that is blocking the view. And this is the behind the scene. So as the page loads and the variant is still not loaded, until the variant has finished uploading, then the anti-flickering script will be lifting away the blank page, and this is ultimately what they'll be seeing. So they'll be first be seeing a blank page, and after say 100 milliseconds or so, the blank page will be lifted away as soon as the variant has loaded. So this is how an anti-flickering script work. And on MIDA dashboard, you can find the anti-flickering script in when you are getting your tracking code. And here is your MIDA A/B testing script. And right here, we have this option, enable anti-flickering script. So you just enable that, and here you go. Here is the anti-flickering script snippet. Just copy this onto your website and you are good to go. Now, if you would like to learn more about MIDA A/B testing or anti-flickering script, feel free to go to www.mida.so to learn more about A/B testing. See ya.